Okay, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I've got a Samsung S8 and the customers complained that they can't hear out of the ear speaker. Now I've looked under the microscope and I can see that all the ear speaker grill is completely clogged up, all the holes are clogged up. So to fix this one, we completely pull out the motherboard and then we'll pull out this top speaker, and then we'll flush out that grill and that'll fix this S8 ear problem. So back shortly and I'll show you how we fix this. I'll just go over the microscope and show you how we fix this one. Thank you. Okay, so you can see it's all just contaminated, it's just all the holes all just filled up. So the best way to do these is to pull out the motherboard, drop the battery up. Sorry, as you can see, it's all just contaminated here. There's no holes for the airflow, so therefore you're going to have a soft ear speaker. So what we're going to do, I've pulled out the motherboard. I'm going to drop up. There's a little slot under here for the speaker, so I'm just going to carefully prod that up. So there's the speaker. It's got a few magnetic filings on it too, so if that's the case, I usually like to replace the whole speaker, so we'll put a new speaker in. But the main cause is this grill. It's this grill down here. Okay, what I like to do, first thing is try and loosen it. Loosen it from the bottom. Fill all the cavity up there with alcohol. A little bit on the top. Work it in there. Okay, keep it soaking. Oops, just move the camera there for a second, let's check that's right. Yep. Okay. Got a bit of an old brush, an old toothbrush. Alcohol into there. Keep working. Loose. Now I've got this little wire brush that I use, just a dab. You can see our hole's starting to appear. Keep working, working, working. Give it a blow. Get a blow from the back here. And you can see our holes have all appeared. There's one little dot over here. Just got to get that out of there. Not bad. Put more in here. Another blow. There you have it. All fixed. Just got to give it a little bit of a dry. Like so. Then we get our texture. There you have your grill, all fixed. What we're going to do is put another speaker back in. So I'm not going to replace this one because it's got filings and stuff, magnetic filings. Alright, because magnetic filings are going through the grill and they can go right through and jam your diaphragm. So just be on the safe side, we'll throw another speaker in here and she's all fixed. Yeah, so I've got this S8, we've done our grill, we've flushed it out with alcohol, we've flushed it from the back out to the front. You have to pull these apart, you can't just try to flush them from the front without pulling it apart, it doesn't work. And I pulled out a speaker out of another old frame, and this is good clean, there's no magnetic filings on it. Because they weld, or mechanics or whatever, put in their pocket, metal filings actually go through the grill and into this beaker, okay, but the main cause is there was no holes. So we just put this another speaker back in there, so all I have to do now is assemble this and she'll be right to go. So thanks for watching, please subscribe and have a nice day. Thank you.